guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a Fenty haul for you guys. So I have a pretty nice collection of Fenty shoes by Rihanna and I'm pretty proud of it. So I want to share that with you guys today. I want to start kicking off some videos where they're more geared towards like everything I like. So I wanted to share that with you guys with a Fenty shoe haul. So the first pair of shoes that I'm going to show you are going to be from the Creeper collection. Rihanna came out with the Fenty Creeper line, a part of her Fenty Puma collection, as one of the first releases, and she came out with them in numerous colors. So the first pair that I got were the Oatmeal Creepers, and these are super cute to me. One of the things that I really love about this shoe is that the sole of this shoe is so thick. So I'm short, and when I wear them I do feel like I get like a boost of height. So if you don't like having, shoes that give you a little bit of height, then I don't know if these are going to be ones that you'll love. However, I love them because, again, like I said, I am short, and these were one of my favorite pair of shoes when they first came out. So these are the Oatmeal Creeper, and they have the brown gum sole. I really like these shoes because they're very neutral, and I find myself wearing these really often because they're very neutral. Obviously, you can pair any color with this, but I like to do a lot of colors that kind of coincide with this brown color here in the sole. And of course there's the Puma logo there, kind of rubbed off because I wore these a lot. But then you also get the gold tassels on the end of the shoelaces. So a really nice contrasting color. I feel like the more that you wear these shoes, the lighter that they get. Initially they are pretty heavy, like they're a platform shoe, but the more you wear them and like the more you break them in, the easier they are and the lighter they feel. So I really like these shoes. These for me were like one of my favorite pairs. My next pair of creepers that I have are probably my favorite pair of creepers that I own. Those are the orange camo creepers. So these to me are so cute. Like, I get so many compliments when I wear these shoes. For one, you've never seen like a platform shoe like this. Like, usually if it's a platform shoe, the sole is probably the main focus of the shoe, or just has like very little material to go along with the thick sole. And to me, the fact that Rihanna was able to do a camo inspired pattern for this look and then also turn it orange, like she could have obviously kept it the traditional green, but orange was just such a pop of color, and like I think the contrast of oranges together is what makes this shoe just so appealing to the eye. It does have the gold Puma logo on the side and then also on the tassel. So very nice colorways with this shoe. I find myself wearing these more than I wear any of my other creepers, just because they're so unique. And to me, I feel like these can like damn near go with everything, and I will wear them with any and almost everything. I love wearing it with all black, of course, as far as this being like the staple of the outfit, and even pairing it with a nice pop of color is something that I would like to do. And to me, these are probably like the best creepers that Rihanna came out with. She only did like one bold print like this, and I'm so glad that I got these. I think that these are like probably going to be considered classics in the future, because I don't know if Rihanna, now that she has her own line, if she's going to be doing more collaborations with Puma. But I love these, and I'm so glad that I got these. Obviously, orange is like my favorite color, considering all the makeup looks that I always do kind of steer into the orange range. I love them. So alrighty, and to wrap up the Creeper collection, I'm going to be showing you my final pair of creepers, which are these green and Bordeaux color creepers here. So these, I have to say, might be my least worn pair of Fenty's, just because if you guys can tell, the green is just a little bit darker than like your traditional green. So for me, I was a little taken back by that from the picture that I saw online and then when I actually purchased them. But I mean, they're still really cute. They're still very workable. I really like the Bordeaux stripe that goes across, again, the gold in the Puma name, and then also on the tassel. These to me are like really these are really essential. Like, you might not feel that you need them immediately, but then like down the line, you're finding yourself like actually really proud that you got these. So I don't necessarily wear these that often, but they are a piece that I feel like I needed to have. I'm not gonna say I would have passed them. So now we're going to get into one of my favorite collections out of the Fenty Puma collaboration, and that is the bow sneaker. Alrighty, so Rihanna came out with one of the most beautiful, iconic shoes of all time in my opinion, and that is the satin bow sneakers. And the first pair of satin bow sneakers I'm going to share are the green satin bow sneakers. Now you guys, this was everything when these dropped. Like, if you guys can see, like, I've never seen a shoe that has the satin material, like, within the entire shoe. Like, this entire shoe is satin besides the sole. And then on top of that, to have a bow on the actual shoe, like, she's so creative. She's so creative, and I think these are super nice because just the silhouette of the sneaker and seeing as she was able to incorporate a satin bow tie instead of shoelaces, to me was like absolutely insane. Like, I don't know, Rihanna outdid herself with these, and she came out with these in 4 different colors. So these are the green pair. I also most recently got a pair of the lavender bow sneakers just to complete my collection, because these are also like very, very delicate. Like, the type of purple that this is just a very soft and beautiful purple, and they're really, really cute. Like, these are like, I don't know, these are like the cutest little sneakers ever. I feel like every girl deserves to have a pair of these, especially the little girls out there. Like, this would be so cute with a cute little Sunday outfit and a nice little dress or something cute, and obviously it's sneakers, so like they're really foolproof. One of the things that I will say is, instead of it coming with shoelaces, it does come with a like slide in type of deal right here. So inside there's actual like elastic bands so that you can like slip your foot in. Now, I personally do not untie my shoes, mainly because when I was first trying on the shoe, I untied it and then I thought maybe I could tie this bow back, and it was absolutely not happening. So I realized if I wanted to keep this bow looking perfect, or at least semi-perfect as is, I'm not gonna untie them. So I ended up swapping out the pair of shoes for a new pair so that I could keep the bow exactly the same. So what I do when I wear these, at first I used to use a shoehorn so that I could slide my foot in the back of the shoe, and then just over time, eventually, like me like kind of tugging at this and pulling it a little bit, it loosened up. So now it's easy for me to just slide my foot in and out. But I would definitely say don't untie them. And my absolute favorite out of the entire collection has to be the pink bow sneakers. Now these, I was like, I have to have these. These were just so cute, like the light pink color and just like the satin bow. It's just like, how could you not like these? These shoes get complimented at least 30 times when I wear these. These are actually the ones that kicked it off for me, and I love these shoes. Like, I will throw these on with whatever. Like, when I say whatever, I mean whatever. Like, you can never go wrong with pink. Pink goes with everything. So that's why I really love these shoes, and that's why these are probably the most worn pair. They're probably the most dirty pair, because I actually wear these so often. And I'm not really sure how you clean satin shoes, so I haven't tried it. But if anybody knows how to do that, or where I can find that answer, please comment down below, because I want to like refurbish these and bring these babies back, because they are so beautiful and they deserve to be in the top-notch shape. So comment down below if you guys know some things. But that is it from my Fenty bow collection. So I did mention that she came out with 4 colors. She did come out with a cream color, and I just personally didn't feel like that was a color I needed. And also, just judging by the lightness of the pink color, I am pretty clumsy, so I know that the cream would just look terrible. So I passed on those, but I have one more pair of shoes to share with you guys, and that is going to be the Fenty trainers. So these have got to be the most outrageous Fenty shoes that Rihanna has come out with yet. So one of the things that obviously is a shocker is this tongue on the shoe. So it is a stiff, straight tongue, and it's pretty long compared to the like back tongue. It has no laces, and it's pretty like free form fitting. So it's a trainer, which means that it's like very lightweight. Oh my gosh. Very lightweight, so you can work out in these. These are like super comfortable if you're going on walks or literally doing anything. And the really cool thing about them is that they also have a reflective piece inside of here. So if you're wearing these at night, they actually are very reflective and you will always be able to see you. So I really like these. These are probably the oddest pair of shoes that I've bought so far. But I get so many compliments on these and they're so comfortable. Like it's like walking on a cloud. Like to me, these are almost in comparison to like the comfort of my Yeezy 350s. I really like these because the reflectiveness on them is really, really nice and very helpful, but just like the free form fitting of the shoe. Like this is not one of those shoes that's really tight on your feet or you feel pressure at any point. It just feels really flat and comfortable. But if you have an arch in your foot, you also get that support in there. So these came out in black and red, and I really, truly regret not getting those colors because when I tell you guys, these are like fire. I love wearing these with some joggers. I like wearing them with leggings. I'll even sometimes wear them with just like regular sweats and kind of tuck them in. But these are probably one of the most slept on shoes ever. So I know when people did cop these, they were really happy about them, and I'm really happy that I got a pair because these are to me a pair of essential shoes that you should have in your collection. Something comfortable. And that is it for my Fenty haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this is kind of random, but this is going to be an introduction into my fashion side, and there's going to be a lot more videos where that came from. So make sure to like this video and to subscribe to my channel so that you can see when those come out, and comment down below what you guys want to see next. I want to make sure that I keep the flow going and keep videos coming, but I also want to make sure that I'm giving you guys what you want to see. So make sure to subscribe and again comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next